QBTS stock analysis. Is it a buy? Is it not? Watch this very, very short 1-minute video till the end, find out. So I'm looking at D-Wave Quantum, already seeing like 12% correction on Friday, which is a big stretch. Not even kind of, I mean, it's not like it's not unusual because most of the market is also down. Wall Street has lost like $3 trillion, which is a freaking big pain in behind. But for me, it's just a correction. And all I'm looking to do is just the rules, just this thing to stop so I can add on even more. Like, I don't know if you understand how many people are selling a lot of assets to get involved in the market right now, because this is freaking like such a discounted price. Now, to come back, you will see that previously, like oh my bad, let's just come here. You can see previously it was sitting 163. I was aiming for like 2 something 4 months ago. And since now we're here, I had like 4 dubs. If the price doesn't show me any sort of double break here, then I'm still not looking to take it up. You know, that's whole thing about it. Yeah, other than that, like me randomly buying, just not going to be the way. And I generally say this, like, I purely believe it. Without this sort of double break, me buying just going to be right out the window. Or if no rules are met, I'm just going to go ahead and kick some rocks, you know. So if you want to stay tuned regarding QBTS, if you want to make more money trading in a simple, lean way, click the first link in the description. That's free newsletter. Goodbye.